Alright, Mark's got a... Nice.
That's
There
like
you
fucking
go.
sea right there, baby.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not cold anymore.
That's a nice one, too.
That is a
dude.
nice one.
Play around with the jingle jangle.
Yeah, Nick with the eagle eye. Dude, that one probably, it might weigh just as much or more.
Mark's gonna poke me in the eye. It's all good. I just want to see it. Nice job, Mark from the cock block.
What the hell, why is this hook here?
Oh, really?
I still have the bell on my jacket.
Mark, let me see that.
Got one.
I wouldn't be surprised if that. Oh, are you stuck? Oh, shit. Okay.
It's shaking like crazy. Another shot, I bet. Makes a hell of a flight. Looks like way more flight than the damn catfish.
Oh, there it goes.
Damn it.
There it goes.
Again around the corner.
Hey, Nick, take it out this way right here.
I'm trying to let him swim out. There we go.
Yeah, that hook's already
Are you
set,
getting
so
all this? Okay, good. Just in case my camera dies.
I'll send you all my videos.
Sweet. Oof.
On the other line.
Go, Mark, jump in the water.
You guys want to see me in the water, don't you?
Mark with his bell on.
Ooh, big trout.
Oh,
Yeah. Looks like a cat.
really?
You call it?
Look, coming up.
Oh, there it is.
It's a nice one.
Woo.
Good.
It's a really nice one. Look at it fight. Come here.
Working.
All right, here it is.
Coming in.
There we go. Oh, come on.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Get it, Mark. Get it. There you go. Nice job, guys.
For the kill.
Yeah.
I got my...
Fish on.
Cross my line.
Dang, it's stout.
Ooh, careful. Ooh, careful.
Good eye, Tony.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. See, it's lady luck. When we're not here, you guys don't catch anything, and when one of us is here, you guys catch something.
Why, motherfucker don't want to talk to you?
Nope.
Jesus Christ. God damn it.
Jeez.
Gotta be tired as shit.
Yeah.
Nope, don't get you fucking there. No.
All right.
Jesus. Come on, Nick. What do you want me to do? Keep swimming that way. There you go. He's got it. Is that the?
Get him. Nice. Air catch. Woo!
It's like 3 pounds, dude.
Yeah, it does. That one looks pretty big.
See?